Hi there, Darren Latchney here from 365 Assist. One of the questions I get asked a bit is about where do I find help when I'm building my Power App or Power Automate? So the Power Platform community is a great site that you can ask questions, you can join communities or just have a general discussion. So I thought I'd give you a quick video about where it is and what you can do there. So the first place to start, I think, from asking your questions or finding answers for questions that have already been asked is to go to powerusers.microsoft.com. And in that page, you will see a lot of information that will help you find the answer you're looking for. Now, you can scroll down and you'll see a nice title there, and you can scroll down and there's already some discussions that have happened for the different areas of Power Platform, whether it's Power BI, Power Apps, Pages, Automate or Virtual Agents. You can look at the forums there. There's also some user group events that might be useful for you that you want to join in your local area. Or you can just join the user groups. They're always really powerful. There's some great discussions happening in these user groups in your community or for your product. But to actually find a question that you might have, the way I like to go is go to the actual community. So if you know what solution you're working at, whether it's BI, Power Apps, Pages, Automate, you would find the category that suits you think suits the best. Don't worry if you don't get it exactly right. Everybody's really nice there, and no one's gonna kick you off. So don't feel how silly you think your question is. So if you went to Power Apps, you'd go to this page here. Now you don't have to register, but it's really useful because you need to register to ask your question. So if I registered Darren, for instance, it's probably already taken that username. I'll just put 2023 in there. There you go. That's no one else has used that. And I just put my time zone in. For me, it's +10. If I can find it, +10. And accept the terms and services and submit that. I can then go and log in and I can add my own questions. You don't have to register to go to this site or these sites. And then it's just a matter of searching the content, the question that you're asking for. Or if you are can't find an answer to your question, then you would just go into one of these topics here in these discussion groups here. And it might be, for instance, building Power Apps is the general one. If I click on that, I can then go to the topic I want and I can start a topic and start the question that I'm interested in and asking. Now, guys, just a tip, if you are new to this and are asking questions, here's some tips I strongly suggest. First of all, the question that you're asking needs to be clear and concise. If you've started building an app and have an error or a question, really it's really useful if you put a screen capture of your problem there or the error that you're getting. That really helps the people who are trying to solve your problem, and also what you were trying to do at the time. So were you trying to insert a table or trying to add a component? Which component was it, and what is the message? So the more you can give in the question, the better answer you're probably going to get from some of the experts that are on here. Really helpful. So going back to the community, yes, you can, as I said, it's all pretty much the same. If I went from Power Apps to Power Automate, it's a similar sort of setup. Once I've registered in one, it's registered in the others as well. But there are different discussion groups in here that you can use and work out what you want there.